how to trade Forex on interactive brokers. Interested in trading Forex but not sure where to start? Here's a quick guide to get you trading on interactive brokers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you the essential steps to start trading Forex on interactive brokers so you can diversify your portfolio and seize currency market opportunities. Step 1. Log into your interactive broker's account via the client portal or trader workstation. Step 2. Ensure you have enabled Forex trading permissions in your account settings. Step 3. Fund your account with sufficient balance to cover your trades and margin requirements. Step 4. In the platform, search for the Forex pair you want to trade, like EUR USD or GBP USD. Step 5. Choose the order type, market, limit, or stop order, based on your trading strategy. Step 6. Enter the trade size, lot size, and confirm the details. Step 7. Submit your order and monitor it in the Orders tab. Step 8. Use the platform's charts and tools to track currency price movements and manage your positions. Quick tip: start with small trades and use stop-loss orders to manage risk while learning the Forex market. Like this guide, hit like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and comment your Forex questions below. Thanks for watching.